I'm James Fazzio, the dietitian here at incentaHEALTH. I make the meal plans, and I'm here to counsel you in your weight loss journey. As an incentaHEALTH member, you'll receive 6 complete meal plans a week. You'll receive breakfast, lunch, and dinner meal ideas right in the incentaHEALTH app. You'll also see a small mid-morning, mid-afternoon, and evening snack each day to help you control your hunger. Here at incentaHEALTH, we don't have complicated recipes. We have simple meal ideas that are healthy and easy to put together. We have over 3,600 meal plans in our database. Our secret is to divide the plate into quadrants. Just picture a dinner plate with a palm-sized protein source and a fist-sized carbohydrate source, each taking up a quarter of the plate. Then fill the other half of your plate with vegetables and you will have a perfect plate. Why 6 small meals? 6 small meals a day means eating less at meals and enjoying snacks between meals. Skipping meals can increase hunger throughout the day. This can lead to less healthy choices and overeating at meal times. Eating smaller, more frequent meals helps put you in control by avoiding excessive hunger and encouraging healthy choices with just the right portions. And here's the best part. If you get confused or stuck trying to make the right meal choices, don't worry about it. Just press the Call a Coach button in the incentaHEALTH app and you can talk to a live health coach like myself to walk you through it step by step. Here at incentaHEALTH, we make health rewarding. Become a member today.